Hi everyone. Let's take a look at some little bird effigies here. This little site out here in Clayton has bird effigies all over it, and they're pretty easy to see. So, see a collection of them right here. This is just a bird head. You can see him there. And in the white, actually, there's going to be a silhouette. Neat one. Look at the giant bird head. You see the carving for the eye, kind of like a large hawk head. But of course, it turns into a human being as well. So on the interior edges and things, there's going to be characters of human beings. You might start to see some of the sand lines that are in there. But these are really nice ones. Not sure. There you go, for the bird with the crystal beak, perhaps. You can see the face on the right hand side, the black around the eye. Whenever you tilt it, you see how that black becomes the Egyptian style eye with the line underneath it. See how the color and the paint come out as you tilt it when you're just looking at the edge of the face? See how those lines around that eye? I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me know. Oh, there's a bunch here. Let's take a look at this one. It's a little dirty, unfortunately. It's a little squirrel girl. It's just a little tiny squirrel girl. It's a repeating pattern motif. There's our little bird head here facing to the left. It's a little dirty still. See how that round head comes out, how the eye hole is done, and then you can always see those little stripes down here at the wing. As primitive and as hard as it is to see, that's what this is. I know it doesn't look like much, but that's what it is. There's a few of them. They're all kind of facing, the way they did it is they faced the bird upward, of course. But some of these have moved around and been shifted. Here's a nice one. Let's see what's on this one. A human character, perhaps. Hard to see. Let's look for the bird anyway. I see mammoths and humans, but I don't see the bird. Very interesting one. I don't know what's going on in there.